Hello, today we will find out what Marvel's superheroes look like in parrot view. The Captain America parrot is also a very interesting find today. Let's see it. A parrot in the form of a human ant is also a very interesting find for today. Let's see it. What about our daredevil Deadpool? How had look if he was a parrot? What a huge and powerful Hulk would look like if it were a parrot. Our friendly neighbor spiders also decided to become a parrot. Let's see. What Tony Stark would look like if he turned into a parrot. Venom alien from another planet can transform into anyone. This time he chose a parrot. A parrot in the form of a very drinkable and no less powerful Black Panther. Batman is our bet that he made for us with his parrot turn. The Flash is the fastest and smartest, which means the parrot must be no less cool. And the last parrot of the day, Thanos, great and powerful, could not resist and also flew to us in the form of a parrot.